Okay, here we have a laptop and there's a problem. We have black bars on the sides all around. This one has an Intel processor and the graphics chip is also on that Intel processor. Now let's see how to fix this problem. One way to fix it is to increase the resolution. So right click on the desktop, go to display settings, and here we have display resolution. And either set that one to the maximum, and in this case it's also recommended one, and then the black margins disappeared. Or if we revert it back, let's close that window, the black bars are back once again. We can go to the start menu and all apps. Now go down to the I section, letter I is here, and Intel Graphics Command Center. This has a Thunderbolt sign, so click on Intel Graphics Command Center. And here on this window on the left side we have display. Click on display. And at scale, don't use centered, but use the last one, maintain aspect ratio. And after clicking on this, even with the low resolution, it was stretched out to the sides. Now let's keep it. Close this window. And now we can even put back the highest resolution. Display settings and display resolution. Now with every resolution almost, you should not have black bars. Now we have black bars only on the side because it's not the same aspect ratio. This is not 16:9 aspect ratio. Keep it. But if you use a lower one, then you should not have any. There are no black bars. Keep that one, and let's use the largest resolution, which is also recommended. And keep the changes.